Diolch, Edward. Right, Matthew.
Right,
Mae'n amser am nodyn Nia. It's a dead easy one today.
Dead easy? Are you sure?
Hawdd.
OK.
Right, part 2 ydi hwn, rhan da iawn, achos wyt ti'n cofio a while ago, chydig wythnos yn ôl, wnaethon ni, you love it when I say that, it tests you, gorchmynion, commands. Remember, we were very bossy. So sut dyn ni'n dweud, os wyt ti'n siarad gyda grŵp o bobl, using the chi form, how do we say, look?
Is it wch yn the end?
Yeah.
Edrychwch.
Da iawn. Eat.
Bwytwch.
Da iawn. Heddiw, da ni'n edrych ar y ffurf T, the T form.
OK.
Quite simple. Instead of the wch, da ni'n rhoi a.
Ffonia. Edrycha. Oh, OK.
Yeah? We'll go through them in sydyn, right?
Yeah.
Screen gynta.
Bwyta.
So these have got vowels on the end, iawn? All you do is drop the vowel. Remember, empty your vowels.
Got to empty your vowels.
And stick an A on the end.
Stick an A. So bwyta is bwyta.
Yeah, ryn bach.
Clever. Yeah. Golchi. Golcha.
Yeah, golcha dy ddwylo.
Wash your hands. I'm doing this as well as you now. Oh no!
Golcha dy ddwylo cyn cinio.
Siarad. Gwylio. Look.
Yeah, or watch.
Watch.
Yeah.
Dysgu.
Dysgu.
Dysga.
Yeah.
Learning.
Learn Welsh. Dysga Gymraeg.
Dysga Gymraeg, pawb.
Yeah.
Oh, pawb.
Oh, not pawb.
Dysgwch. Dysgwch Gymraeg, pawb. Pawb as well, treiglo.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Right, nesa. Ends in a cytsain.
Agor.
You just add an A.
Agora.
Agora. Darllen.
Darllenna.
Edrych.
Edrycha.
Eistedd.
Eistedda.
Oh, eistedda.
Eistedda.
So, when our guests come, if we call them tea, you can say, oh, eistedda.
Eistedda. Ah, eistedda.
Take a seat. It's not as rude as sit. Not like talking to your key.
Oh, right.
Ti'n gallu dweud eistedda. Nesa.
Mynd.
Naughty boys, rwan.
Cer.
The ones that break the rules. Mynd goes to cer or dos.
I used to hear that a lot at school.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dos adra.
Cer mas.
Cer mas.
Cer mas.
Cer yn y de.
Cer.
Dos yn y gogledd.
Yn y gogledd, dos. Pam?
Just gwahanol.
Just...
Gogledd de thing.
Fine.
Yeah.
They're both right.
Mae'r ddau
Don't argue over it.
Yr un fath efo dod. So,
Dod.
yn y de.
De.
Dere.
Dere.
Yn y gogledd. Tid.
Tid.
Tyrd o tid.
Tyrd.
Tid.
Tyrd yma.
Tid yma.
I've heard that before.
Gwneud.
Gwneud.
Gwna.
Gwneud. Wneud. Beth ti'n
Make.
neud? You're making something, yeah.
Make or do.
That's not siarad, no.
Siarad. Gwna.
Gwna. Gwna.
Gwna hyn. Do this.
Gwna hyn. OK.
Hapus?
Yeah, fi'n meddwl.
Mae'n iawn.
It's kind of, is it a next level I've gone to now where you've changing it a little bit again?
You recognise and you use lots of these, like dere ma,
Yeah.
dere fan hyn,
Dere fan hyn.
cer mas.
Cer mas.
Ond weithiau, mae'n ddefnyddiol, useful, to just go, oh, OK, so that's where it comes from. There are irregular ones, and then the rest, you just add an A or an och, yeah?
For more than one person, a person of respect.
So chi is for respect, neu grŵp o bobl.
Yeah.
Ti, un person.
And this has nothing to do with masculine or feminine at all. Nothing to do. It's one person, lots of people, more than one person, or somebody of respect. I respect you, Nia.
Diolch.
Somebody who I don't respect, and I wouldn't want them to teach me Welsh, is Hefin. I wonder what he's up to this week. Apparently there's a party or something.
Yeah.
Wyliwch hwn.